right, we're here at the next spot. Pretty good spot. This is what they want though. All right, this thing sinks very fast. Oh, there we go. That's a nice fish. That's a nice fish. Nice fish. Let's get down to the reel. Yeah, that's a nice fish. That's a nice fish right there. There we go. So colorful. That thing is beautiful. Or anything. But we're just gonna have to net this guy right here. Come here, buddy. It's a nice fish. You guys, look at this fish. 17-inch brown. Let's get this guy back. Look at that fish right there, you guys. He's a fighter. There we go.